guys, we are here at the Marina at Sunriver Resort and we are going to be canoeing on the Deschutes River. Oh, that was good. New dry bag for the camera equipment. Dun, 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 dun.
You're saying what after we've done that?
Yeah, right. No.
Oh. He has 1 foot. Jade, watch your oar, watch your oar, watch your oar. Thank you.
His little tail?
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's cool. Good job.
Are you sure you want to be squirted?
He's gonna get squirted.
He's getting away, guys!
Thank you. You are brave. Oh, stop.
That's cute. Are they all little girls?
They look like him.
What's up, girls? Oh, hi, honey. No? Oh, nice.
You gotta just straight up.
Oh my god. Yeah, we should go at the same time, Mom. Yeah, we should definitely go at the same time. Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3.
There's a dragonfly on me.
Yeah.
He left.
They did.
Yeah, they did.
He's back.
Yeah.
I love it. Look how cute he is.
Oh, the bird.
So cool. Alright, we made it back to the marina. Got my dry bag, got my phone, got my hat, got my pants. That was our day on the river in Sunriver, and I had a great time. It was super fun. Kayaking and canoeing is probably one of my favorite summer pastimes, so I don't know. I would love to do this again and maybe get a kayak next time because my dad had the kayak and he was kind of cruising. But I did enjoy the canoe and jumping off the rocks because I've done this growing up. We used to do this, but I was afraid of the water and didn't like to touch the water. So everyone would jump in off the rocks and I would never do it. So I did it this year and I'm super stoked I did. This is also the first time that I was using my GoPro. So I'm excited to see how that footage turns out. The water was super cold. The day was super hot. It was just a really perfect combo with really great company and I'm really glad I did it. So on that note, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you on the next video. Oh my god, look at it. I didn't realize it was all wet.
Yeah.
What is this? That's funny.